Hey, it's your favorite Marcus with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams Realty. I'm coming to you today from 4316 Foggy Oak Lane in Sanford, Florida. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This home is incredibly maintained. It was built in 2022, only 3 years old, and it's ready for you. Let's go take a look. Thank you for joining me today on the tour of this beautiful home here in Sanford, Florida. For more video tours of more properties and coverage of what's going on in the real estate market, be sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like to schedule a private showing of this particular property or any others throughout all of Central Florida, be sure to give me a call. Now, maybe Central Florida is not for you and you're somewhere else in the country or somewhere else in the world. I'm connected with a broad expanse of real estate professionals who I could get you connected with, who I know will do a great job for you. Give me a call. Remember, I'm your favorite Marcus with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams Realty. My phone number is area code 407-965-SOLD. That's 407-965-7653. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you real soon.